discuss some problems based on this, and let us verify whether how far the remainder theorem is true. Okay. Now we will take one example. We will take a polynomial fx. Fx is equal to x power 4 plus 4x cube minus 5x square plus minus 5x square minus 6x plus 7. So this is a polynomial which is divided with x minus 3. Okay, divided with x minus 3. What is the remainder? Okay, so first of all, this polynomial, I have to use remainder theorem. Okay, I am doing actual division. So what do you have to do? F of what is the 0 of x minus 3? X minus 3 is equal to x is equal to 3. So I have to take f of 3. We have to take f of 3. Okay. So in place of x we have to substitute 3. That is equal to 3 power 4. X power 4 in place of x I am substituting 3. 3 power 4 plus 4 into 3 cube minus 5 into 3 square minus 6 into 3 plus 7. So what is the value of 3 power 4? 3 power 4 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 multiplied 4 times. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 is 81. So this 3 power 4 is equal to 81 plus what is the value of 3 cube? 3 into 3 into 3, 27. So 4 into 27. 4 into 27 minus, you know the value of 3 square, that is 5 into 9 minus, here no power is there, so minus into plus minus 6 3s are 18 plus 7. That is equal to 81 plus 27 into 4. 4 7s are 28. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 10. 108. 108 minus 5 9s are 45. Minus 18 plus 7. So here what I have to do is add all the terms having positive sign. That is 81. 81 is a positive number and 108 is a positive number and 7 is a positive number. Add all this. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 6 7 16. 1 9 1. So that is equal to 196. 196. Now add all the negative terms. Minus 145 minus 18. Okay. Negative signs and positive signs both should be added separately. 5 plus 8 13 3 1 5 6 minus 63. So plus 93 plus 196 minus 63. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 9 minus 6 3 1. So the remainder is 133. The remainder is 133. So remember, remainder is equal to 133. So let us verify this by performing actual division. Okay. So we have to verify whether our answer is right or not. That means whether we get minus 133 by performing actual division. So now we will perform the actual division. X power 4 plus 4x cube minus 5x square minus 6x plus 7 is divided with x minus 3. So you know the first step is x power 4 divided by x, which is equal to x cube. So keep here x cube. Okay, x cube into x minus 3. That is equal to x power 4 minus 3x cube. Okay, so keep here x power 4 minus 3x cube. Do the subtraction. Minus plus. Cancel 7x cube. So take down the next term, that is minus 5x square. So this is the first remainder. Again the second step. What is the second step? First term with first term. You know already. Okay. 7x cube by x, which is equal to 7x square. So keep here plus 7x square. 7x square into 7x square into x minus 3. 7x square into x minus, that is equal to 7x cube minus 7 3 is 21, 21x square. So keep here 7x cube minus 21x square. Subtract. Minus plus. Cancels. So plus 21 minus 5 is equal to plus 21 minus 5. Okay, that is equal to 16. 16x square. Take down the next term, that is equal to minus 6x. Step 3. Okay, 16x square divided by x, which is equal to 16x. Keep here 16x. 16x into x minus 3. 16x square minus 16 3s are 48x. Okay, that is equal to 16x square minus 48x. Okay, minus plus, so that becomes minus 48 plus 48 minus 6, that is equal to 42. 42x plus 7. So fourth step, 42x by x is equal to 42 plus 42. 42 into x minus 3, that is equal to 42x minus 42 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. Okay, so 126 minus plus. Okay, so 126 plus 7. 126 plus 7 is equal to 133. Yes, here we got. So the remainder is 133. Okay, so by performing the actual division, we got the same answer. So this is how we can verify the remainder theorem. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Keep subscribing to tutorials. Thank you.